Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Log. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Telegram download problem. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. If you are an Android user, open the Play Store. And if you are an iPhone user, go to the App Store. Now here, search for Telegram. If you see an update button, tap on it. But it's not showing up on my screen right now, but it should be visible on yours. Once you update it, close the App Store and open your settings. Go to General and then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Telegram. And tap on it. Then here you will be seeing two options, offload and delete. Now simply tap on offload app. Again tap on offload app. This will clear the cache without deleting your data. After that, tap on reinstall app. And that's it. This is how you can easily fix the Telegram download problem. Once you install it again, open up Telegram app and your problem will be solved. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel Take Log for more tech tips and fixes. See you in the next video.